Holiday Gift Guide. As the most awaited month is here, Dintalks channel has come up with a new video that will give you some ideas about your holiday gift guide. Please like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for future updates. The link for the products is given in the description box. The first one is UBTECH Mythical Series, Unicornbot Kit-App. Create your own brilliant Unicornbot. This enchanted Unicornbot kit has everything needed to create a buildable, codable robot or invent your own. Download the free Gmu app that has step-by-step 3D 360 degrees instructions. The fun is extended with the blocky coding platform, allowing kids to build and code this legendary creature. Unicorn bots are real. Build, code, and share one today. Program the magical LED horn with different colors to customize and personalize your unicorn bot creation. The second one is VAHDAM Assorted Tea Gift Set. Ring in the holiday cheer with a jolly gift for your loved ones. Glow Gift Box packs luscious flavors and unmatched freshness with 6 of our healthiest in-house loose leaf blends to make a perfect gift for Christmas. Give a good health and wellness to your loved ones. Show them how much you care with this luxurious wellness gift box filled with warmth and love. The third one is Macorner Mom Tumbler Christmas Gift Idea. This stylish vacuum-insulated stainless steel tumbler is a great gift idea for your mother. Surprise her with the best happy birthday, Christmas stocking stuffer, Mother's Day, retirement, or any day you want to make her feel special. Our tumbler is suitable for any indoor or outdoor place, perfect for enjoying drinks at home, on the beach, by the lake, at the pool, in the office, at the party, during RV tours, cabin trips, camping, hiking, picnic, or barbecue. The fourth one is the Lilac and Gooseberry Deluxe Gift Box, a gift set containing all 8 of our full-size Lilac and Gooseberry products, packaged beautifully in a box with a card and a pretty purple bow, shipped directly to your recipient for free. Use the personalized option to include a message on the card or leave it blank to fill it yourself. Lilac and Gooseberry scent is inspired by the legendary sorceress Yennefer of Vengerberg from the Witcher books and games. It is a mystical marriage of delicate spring lilac with lively gooseberries that evokes the magical renewal of life in springtime. The fifth one is Turkish teacups glasses set for 6. This set is made of metal, Zanax in Turkey. All the metal parts have been cast with the highest quality metal. Each piece is covered and delicately hand-painted. Premium quality, Turkish-made, traditional, authentic, Ottoman-style tea service set for 6. This authentic set is for serving tea, but also you can serve espresso, latte, and coffee as well. This unique item consists of 25 pieces. The glass inside the ornate metal casing is removable and dishwasher safe. Here are some ideas that would help you with your Christmas preparations. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for future updates. The link for the products is given in the description box.